Hello, grade 1 students. Welcome to our online class. This is teacher Harriet, and we are going to start our lesson for today by using our book Targeting Mathematics 1A. So our subject for today is math naka. So our topic will be about creating addition stories. Okay, so we read this one. Creating addition stories. Creating addition stories. Let's read your vocabulary for today. Number 1, math. Math. Number 2, idea. 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 Number 3, stories. Stories. Number 4, step by step. Step by step. Number 5, all together. All together. And number 6, answer. Answer. Okay, so W is silent letter. So we're going to just read this one as answer. Okay, so I've wrote here, I've searched some pasatay word here. I hope this could help you again to understand our vocabulary for today. Okay, so number 1, math. Number 2, idea. Number 3, stories. Number 4, step by step. Number 5, all together. Number 6, answer. Okay, so these are your vocabularies for today. So let's go to your book, page 60. We are going to have our main topic for today about creating addition stories. Okay, so let's start. We're going to go page 60 of your book. So number 1, we can also make our own story from the given number sentence. Okay, so here they've given us 8 plus 1 equals 9. So in this part, we're going to make a story. Okay, so step 1, we're going to do this step by step so we're going to start with step 1. Think of a math idea. Okay, what my idea you're going to use? Okay, in this idea, we're going to use here numbers. Okay, so step number 2, make a story about the numbers. Okay, so we're going to create a story using this number 8 and 1 okay? Okay, we write it as like we're going to use the word green marbles and blue marbles. So we're going to write it as city has 8 green marbles. So there should be 8 marbles in the photo. Okay, so we have here 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to draw one blue marble. So we're going to put one blue marble. There you go. So we have here the story. City has 8 green marbles and one blue marble. So 8 plus 1 is 9. You're going to put them all together. Okay? Step number 3, we ask our question. We're going to make our own question. So, how many marbles does city have all together? Okay, so what did I tell you last time? All together meaning you're going to add plus. Okay, so city has 8 green marbles and 1 blue marble. Okay, there you go. 8 marbles and you have 1 blue marble. How many marbles does city have altogether? So city has 9 marbles altogether. You're going to add 8 plus 1 equals 9. So you're going to write this 9 here. So all in all, we're going to say city has 9 marbles altogether. There you go. Okay, let's go to page 61. Let's make an addition story from the picture below. Okay, so we're going to imagine. Okay, so what animal are this? What animal are this? These are the squirrels. So how many squirrels are on your left side? We have here one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so in this part we have five squirrels. What are they doing? They are eating nuts. Okay, so you can say there, five squirrels are eating nuts. And then one, two, three, four are okay. There are four squirrel joined them. Okay, so four squirrels joined them. How many squirrels are there all together? All together meaning we're going to plus. Okay, so we're going to write here 5 and 4. And then we're going to add them together. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. There. Next. So we're going to write there. There are 9 squirrels all together. Okay, so there are 9 squirrels all together. There you go. Next, page 62. Look at the pictures. Fill in the numbers. So first, we're going to name whose plate is this. So Peter, this one will be this plate. And Robbie will be this plate. Naka, okay? So Peter has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to write there 6 naka, okay? And then Robbie has 1 and 2 pieces of cake. So we're going to write there 2 pieces of cake. Okay. How many pieces of cake do they have all together? Okay, so we're going to write this one 6. Okay, let's erase first because it's a little bit messy. Okay, so we're going to write here 6. And we're going to write here 2. So if we add 6 plus 2, we'll be getting 8. So they have 8 pieces of cake all together. All together because they add naka, okay? Next, check the correct addition story. Fill in the numbers. Okay, so we're going to check the sentence that has the correct story naka. Okay, so the first, let's read. Ravi has 3 oranges and 3 rose apples. How many fruits does he have all together? Okay, so we have this word all together. So we're going to add. Okay, so we're going to put check. And the next one, next box, Ravi has 3 oranges and 3 rose apples. How many fruits are left? Oops, we have here the word left, but left is for subtraction or minus. So the story is wrong naka, okay, because of the word left. Kazemai? Altogether is for addition and left for minus naka. So we're going to write this one here in the first box and this one here in the second box. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So we're going to write this one here. So he has 6 fruits altogether. Okay, there you go. Can you follow? Are you following along? Next, page 63. Page 63, number 1, complete the addition stories. Okay, so we have here 2 big bears, and we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small teddy bears. So we're going to read in a story. Let's make a story. Let's go. There are 2 big teddy bears. There are 5 small teddy bears. This one, 2 big and 5 small teddy bears. Naka, okay? How many teddy bears are there all together? How many? Okay, we're going to write the 2 big teddy bears here. Okay, we're going to write these 2 big teddy bears, this one, because this is the missing number. Naka, okay? Because we already have the 5 small teddy bear written in this part. So we're going to write there 2 naka, okay? There you go. And 2 plus 5 equals 7. Okay. There are 7 teddy bears all together. There. Next. Okay. Let's go to page 63, letter B. Naka same page naka. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 small dogs, diba? And then we have here 1, 2 big dogs. So we're going to write here the small. We have here the word small dogs and big dogs. So we're going to write 4 small dogs and there are 2 big dogs. How many dogs are there altogether? So we're going to write already the small dogs here because 2 big dogs are already written here naka. Okay? So we're going to say there 4 plus 2 equals 6 naka. There are 6 dogs altogether. Next, page 64 and 65. We're going to go to your book, page 64 and 65. This will be your homework. Naka, okay? This is your homework, page 64 and 65. Then let's go to your book, page 66 and 67. Naka, okay? We have here the story. I take out 5 coins and there are 4 coins in the box now. How many coins are there in the box at first? Okay, at first we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. So we have 9 coins in the box at first, nakademay. So, but she removes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see, we separate this one here. So, and then we're going to write this one here, here. Okay. There. 5 and 4. So we're going to write 5 there and 4 in the second box. So 5 plus 9 equals 9. So there are 5 coins. There are 9 coins in the box at first. Okay? Next, let's go to your problem solving, page 68. Look at the dots here. We have here the dot sticks. Mark check the correct answer. Which of them have dots that make 9? Okay. We are going to look for the dots that makes 9. So if you add the dots together, they will make 9. Okay, so we're going to count the first one. We have here 1, we have here 2 dots, we have here 4 dots, and we have here 2, 4, 5 dots. So we're going to look for the number that make 9. 2 plus 4, do they make 9? 4, 5, 6, no. How about 4 plus 5? Do they make 9? So let's try to count. Let's try counting. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we've got the answer. So the answer there is 4 and 5. Naka, the first, this one, this sticks, and this stick. There. Now letter B, can you find 2 ways to make 9? Draw dots on the stick. So we're going to look for 2 ways how to make 9. Okay, 2 ways to make number 9. So we're going to draw dot on the sticks. Okay, so we draw 1 dot, 2 dot, and 3 dots. Okay, the next one will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the 6 plus 3 makes 9. Oh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so it's correct na ka. How about the next stick? We're going to write there. So let's try 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So how many number can we add or dots can we add to 7 dots to make 9? Okay, we need to add 1, 2 dots. Okay, so do they make 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, so it's correct there. Okay, you can draw dots on your books. Write your answers correctly naka, okay? Now let's go to page 67 below naka. Okay, we need to understand how did we get the numbers. Okay, so can you tell the number of dots on the dot sticks? What does it mean to make 9? What does it make? What does it mean to make 9? Meaning we are going to look for the number that makes 9. Okay? So in letter A, we wrote there 4 dots, demai. We have 4 dots there and we have 5 dots on the other side. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay? And in letter B, there are other ways to make 9. Okay, so that's the one we wrote below. Naka, let me show you. This one. This one. The first one and the second one. Let's go. Okay, let's go back. Letter B, so we wrote there 3 dots, damai, and then we wrote there 6. So if we add 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay? And in the other sticks, we wrote there or we put dots. 7 dots plus 2 dots equals 9. Damai? So because 7 plus 2 makes 9. Okay, so if you put them together, they can make number 9. There you go. Next, let's go to your book, page 68. Page 68, we are going to make our own stories using the number hats here. These ones, okay? Okay, did you get it? Oh, now let's start. Let's take a look at this example. Look at the numbers on the hats. Okay, so they look for the hats that makes 7. So we're going to read first. Okay, so the numbers on George's hat and Sam's hat make 7. Okay, so let's take a look at George. Where is George here? This one. George and Sam. Where is Sam? This one. Okay, so 2 plus 5 equals 7. Correct? So it's correct, naka. How about the other one? The numbers on John's hat and Danny's hat make 7. So let's take a look at John. Okay, this one, John, he has number 6 on his hat. And Danny has 1. So if you add 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 equals 7. Okay. So, their sentence is correct. Naka. Next, activity here. Write down the names of each pair of children whose numbers make 8. Okay, let's start with the first one. Cherry's hat and George's hat make 8. So let's take a look at Cherry. Where is Cherry? This one. So Cherry has 3. And George, where is George? 5. There you go. So if you add 5 plus 3, they make 8. Damay? Okay, 5 plus 3 makes 8. Naka. Next word. John's hat and Sam's hat makes 8. So where is John? We have here John 6. And then we have Sam. Where is Sam? Sam 2. There you go. So if we add them, 6 plus 2 equals 8. Okay. Next, we have Sarah's hat and Lisa's hat makes 8. Okay, Sarah's hat and Lisa's hat. Where is Sarah? This one 0 plus Lisa plus 8 equals 8. So 8 plus 0 will always be the same. Daimai? Okay. Next, and the last one, we have Kate's hat and Danny's hat make 8. Let's take a look at Kate. Where is Kate? There you go, 7. And we have here Danny. Oh, how many is that? 1. So 7 plus 1 equals 8. Okay, so it's correct. Naka. There you go. So we have here 4 people wearing hat that makes 8. Okay, Mai? Next, reminder of your homework. Okay, so reminder of homework, page 64 and 65, this one. Please answer them and you can send it in the school so I can check na ka, okay? You're going to count first the people here. These are the jumpers. We call them jumpers and we are going to count them, write the numbers in the box. Naka. And then you're going to write it in number sentence. Okay? Or additional sentence. Naka. Okay, Mai? Complete it. And this one, you're going to put check or X. Naka. Alay ka day naka of the sentence states the correct word. Naka. About the picture. Okay? And then you're going to write it in additional sentence and write it here, the total. And in number 3, you're going to finalize your number sentence. Okay? You're going to write the correct answers here. So this would be, there are 9 children at the bus stop altogether. This one. Okay. I've already given you a hint na ka? Okay, great one. This will be your homework na ka. So, that is for today for our lesson about mathematics in addition. Okay, so next week we'll be having subtraction. Okay, I know you are good in math, so do your best na ka. Goodbye. See you again next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.